colors for fall, neutrals, and pops of color. V-neck, no hoodie. The best of both worlds. Kangaroo pocket, full coverage, fit true to size, small through 3X available. Check this out. The interior is the perfect middleweight fabric that allows you to feel cozy, too easy to throw on your favorite vest and create your favorite throw and go outfit. Not too oversized spacious or too tight squeezy. We really nailed it, truly thinking of everything every other sweatshirt's forgotten. I think we've made enough, but y'all prove me wrong time and time again. These are viral and gonna go quick, especially with the new colors. Free shipping right here from South Dakota. Save big and claim your favorite sweatshirt before your best friend beats you. Click the link to shop and I'll see you at checkout.